This tutorial guides you through managing containers and utilizing AI creation features within the Loadvis workspace. You will learn how to select container types and save your configurations effectively. Click Container Management to open the Container Management section within the Workspace application. Click AI Create to access the AI creation tools available in the workspace. Click the container option listing 40 HQ weight limit 26,500 kilograms, inner size 1,203 by 235 by 269 centimeters, door size 234 by 258 centimeters, 9.6 million, truck, weight limit 18,000 kilograms, inner size 9,600 by 2,450 by 2,700 millimeter, door size 2,400 by 2,600 millimeters, to choose the appropriate container specifications. Fill the container details with 20 OT weight limit, 21,500 kilograms, inner size 589 by 232 by 233 centimeters, door size 233 by 223 centimeters, to specify the container parameters. Click Recognize and Save to process and save the container configuration within the workspace.